guys, not in the workshop today. We're up on the sewing bench, but I wanted to take you through some gear that I've bought to start the Emoto build. So I bought this 1000-watt brushless motor from Dynamic Motions in Sydney, I think they are. And that comes with a 48-volt controller. And I opted for the push button throttle, the kind of thumb throttle, like on a quad, rather than a moto style throttle. I just thought that might give me a bit more flexibility, because I don't exactly know what the handlebars are going to look like on this thing yet. The other thing I bought is this lithium ion 48-volt battery. It's 17 amp hour. So this will hopefully power it, and it's designed for larger e-bikes, so it comes with a rail system that you can remove it from the bike pretty easily to charge it, and it comes with a normal type smart charger, so I don't have to have some sort of ghetto 12-volt thing in series that would be a pain in the ass to charge all the time. So the only thing that is odd with this is, I don't know if anyone else has used these before, it has a on-off switch, but that doesn't control the power at all. It seems to constantly have 48 volts at these two terminals, which is a bit of a trick if it shorts on anything. So yeah, that's the on-off switch there. Seems to make absolutely no difference to the output voltage and current. Anyway, this is the start of the build. Well, this is the key components that I wanted to get before I started doing anything on the frame. The concept is to have a trussed frame like a Moto, and I'm going to build it out of 25mm aluminium tube. That'll kind of be the crux of most of the gear, and then I'm trying to decide now. I've been looking for a cheap downhill mountain bike, like a $1,000 old Giant Glory or something, to use as a donor bike, but I haven't found anything that fits the bill yet, so it may end up being custom components and just buying bits and pieces to go on with it. I just don't want to spend a fortune on this thing. Anyway, that's the key components, and yeah, this will be a multiple part series. I don't know how many parts yet. Alright, cool. Thanks, guys.